talk about how can you add or change your phone number on your Magicplan app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, you click here on profile and account down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on profile and account, you just click on it. So then you come here to user info, you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you add your phone number. But if you have it, can you change it here too? So here can you add your phone number. So then automatically when you add it, it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you are good. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.